What I have here is the KitchenAid Icemaker, and I will put the model number in the description. But this unit is producing too much ice, and when it's producing, it will fill this bin here on the inside, and ice will actually, that's typically in the upright position, and when it's producing too much ice, the ice will basically overflow on the side of it. So this thing does not have a shutoff due to this sensor going bad. And this is the thermistor that's attached, and I've ordered the part. And this is the part here, which has the end that connects to the wiring inside there. And then this is the sensor part here on the bottom. But the part number is here, W10511923. And this is going to be a quick video. It's pretty simple in terms of replacing the part. The only thing I need to do is remove the screw here, and then this panel here just comes off, and I'll be able to plug the new part in. So I'll just complete this very quick. And this is a 1/4-inch socket. So I have the screw removed, and I just need to take this plastic part out there. Now I'll go on and place the screw back inside of there just to hold it in place temporarily. And to remove this panel, you just basically pull from the bottom. If you feel on the top side of it, there are 3 tabs, and basically you just pull down on those, and then this will just slide right out. So these are the tabs I was referring to. That's on the upper side of this piece. Just going to unplug that piece, remove it, and then I'll just slide this piece behind. I don't have my screwdriver, so I'm just going to use this butter knife just to slide it in there. So I can get a hold of it. Okay. And then I'm just going to plug it into the plug-in here on the top. There's not much room to work there, but it went in. And then I'll just reposition this piece here so that it's upright. I'll just tighten the screw. Okay, I have the screw tightened, and this end is now plugged into that port there on the top side. So everything should be fine now, and I will turn this machine back on here. There's a switch, or a button rather, here on the left hand side, and I have it shut off because it was just overproduced nice, and I ordered the part for this, and so now I have it connected, and I'll just turn it back on. And It is now in ice making mode. So I'm going to close it up and I'll come back later with the video to show how it filled up with ice. Okay, I have everything secured on the side there, and I just need to replace this panel. So basically, just slide these tabs into the slot in the upper section, and then push forward, and it snapped into place. So that's it. Again, pretty simple. The unit is now filling with water, so it should start producing ice very soon, and I'll come back later with an update to show you that it has been repaired. But very, very simple fix, and you can easily do it yourself. So if you have questions or comment, please drop them in the comment box below. Okay, it's been a few days since I installed the thermistor on this KitchenAid Icemaker, and everything is working good now. Before, this machine would overfill with ice and it would be falling out of the top of this hopper here. But now, as you can see here on the side here, is where the ice stops at, where the thermistor is located there. And so once it hits that mark there, the machine will stop producing ice. So everything is working fine. Again, really easy fix, very simple. I ordered a part from KitchenAid, and again, this installation is, very, very simple. I would say a 1 out of 10. So it doesn't take a lot of knowledge and skill to complete this task. But if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Thanks.